Good morning, students. Class 8th Science, and today's our topic reproduction in human beings. The male and female human beings have a different reproductive systems, each, each of which is made up of certain reproductive organs. These organs make up the reproductive system of the individual. Fertilization is internal, and the development of the baby takes place in the mother's body. Male reproductive system. The male reproductive system consists mainly a pair of testes, two sperm ducts, and a penis. The testis is located in scrotal sac. They produce sperm. Although the sperm is very small in size, each has a head, a middle piece and a tail. The process that produces sperm is called spermatogenesis. तो स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस जो होता है इसमें स्पर्म का फॉर्मेशन होता है टेस्टिस के अंदर, और टेस्टिस जो है वो स्क्रॉटल सैक के अंदर बंद होता है, और इसमें एक पेयर टेस्टिस होगा, टू पेयर स्पर्म डक्ट होते हैं और एक पेनिस होता है. हियर सेमाइनल वेसिकल्स, urethra, penis, testis and scrotal sac are here sperm. Female reproductive system. The female reproductive system made up of ovaries, fallopian tubes and the uterus. Ovaries produce ova or egg through the process is called oogenesis. Like the sperm, an egg is also single celled, so they are called gamete. Here ovum, one ovum here, and fallopian tubes, where is the fertilization occur, ovary, uterus, cervix and vagina. Fertilization and development of embryo. The process of reproduction begins when one of the sperm that comes in the contact with the egg penetrate the egg. The nucleus of the sperm fuse with the nucleus of egg. This process is known फर्टिलाइजेशन. फर्टिलाइजेशन में यग को पेनिट्रेट करने के लिए स्पर्म जाता है, एक स्पर्म से यग पेनिट्रेट हो जाता है और उसका न्यूक्लियस, बोथ न्यूक्लियस fused with each other and the fertilization is complete and the cell is called zygote. The fertilization of human cell is the sperm mostly take place in fallopian tube. Fallopian tube here present. The fertilized egg cell is known as zygote. The zygote begin divided into towards the uterus. By the time of fertilized egg reaches in the uterus, it has divided into few cells. On reaching the uterus, the fertilized egg implant to the wall of the uterus, and after a few days, the organ is called placenta develops where the egg implants. The developing zygote now is called the embryo. As the human embryo develop and gets in close to the thin membrane is called embryon. तो जो ह्यूमन एम्ब्रियो होता है उस पर एक थिन मेम्ब्रेन पाई जाती है जिसे एमनियन कहते हैं, और एमनियन में ही क्या एक तरह का ये बैग है जो एम्ब्रियो के चारों ओर उसको सराउंड किए रहता है, घेरे रखता है, और उसमें एक वाटरी फ्लूइड पाया जाता है जिसे एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड कहते हैं, और उसी पे जो न्यूली फॉर्म बेबी है वो फ्लॉट करता रहता है, और वो एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड उस बेबी को एक्सटर्नल एक्सर्शन एंड इंटरनल एक्सर्शन से बचाता है. आफ्टर ए फ्यू वीक्स द एम्ब्रियो बिगिंस रिसेंबल ए ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड कॉल्ड इज ए फीटस. It takes to 36 to 40 weeks or 9 months in human child fully develop in the mother womb. This period is known as pregnancy. Menstruation. When the egg is released from the ovary, the inner lining of uterus begin to thicken. If the egg fertilize, अगर egg fertilize हो जाता है, it attach to the wall of uterus and the receive nourishment. If egg is not fertilized, अगर egg fertilized नहीं होता, the lining of uterus to shed and there is loss of blood. This is known as menstruations or periods. Once the wall of uterus is shed, it begins to build up again. This continuous building and shedding of the inner wall of the uterus occurs during the menstruation cycle. In a woman, normally one fully developed egg is released during the mid phase of menstruation cycle. One menstrual cycle is about 28 days, but can be as a short 22 days or have a longer duration about 36 days. मेंस्ट्रुएशन साइकिल में जो यग का फॉर्मेशन होता है वो मिड फेज पर हो जाता है और ये 28 डेज भी हो सकता है, अगर जल्दी रहा तो 22 और ज़्यादा देर में रहा तो 36 डेज. हियर द डे ऑफ एवरेज मेंस्ट्रुएशन साइकिल. Here lining of uterus shed and bleeding is flow here, and the lining new egg matures, lining of uterus begins to thicken, ovulation egg release here 13 or 14 or 15 days, and egg travels to the uterus. If not fertilized, dissolve the lining of the uterus continues to be thickened. Here the cycle is completed. How does the fetus get nourishment? Attached to the navel of the fetus, it is the flexible strand is called umbilical cord. The umbilical cord runs through the fetus and connect to the placenta. The placenta attaches the wall of uterus and richly supplied to blood vessels. The umbilical cord connected to the fetus, which is circulatory system of the mother. जो umbilical cord होता है वो fetus से अटैच होता है और मदर के सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम से भी. दिस कनेक्शन सप्लाई fetus with oxygen and nourish nutrient from the mother. और यही उस fetus को ऑक्सीजन और नरिशमेंट प्रोवाइड कराता है. इट आल्सो टेक अवे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड अदर वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट इन फीटल ब्लड. और ये ही कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट जो फीटल ब्लड में पाया जाता है मदर के द्वारा मदर के शरीर में सर्कुलेट हो जाता है. द डेवलपिंग फीटस ऑब्टेन